In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create post and FAQ maker in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll have a polished social media post and a clear set of FAQs ready for your business, all created with a single prompt and a simple send. First, open the Google Gemini Windows app and click into the message box. You're going to write one clear prompt that tells Gemini exactly what you want. Be specific about your business, the style you're aiming for, and what deliverables you expect. Here's a great example you can type or adapt for your brand. Create a social media post and a set of FAQs for my business. I run a small gourmet burger food truck called Stacked Bites. The post should promote a signature burger in a catchy, engaging way with a short caption and call to action. Then create 4 to 5 FAQs that customers might ask about the business, such as pricing, location, ingredients, and operating hours. Keep everything clear, friendly, and suitable for online marketing. Feel free to replace the business type, product, or tone to match your brand voice. The more context you provide up front, like your specialty, audience, and any must-include details, the better the result you'll get back. Now, press Enter or click the Send button. Gemini will generate a complete social post and a concise FAQ list in just a moment. Read through the output and make sure it aligns with your goals. You're looking for a headline or hook that grabs attention, a short caption with a clear call to action, and FAQs that directly address the questions customers ask most. If anything needs tweaking, simply reply beneath the result. You can ask Gemini to shorten the caption for a specific platform, swap in a different burger name or product, add or remove emojis, or refine the voice to be more playful or more professional. You can also request that the FAQs use consistent formatting, include brief answers, and avoid jargon so they're easy to skim. For best results, mention any platform constraints, like character limits, and ask for a version with a few relevant hashtags if you plan to post on social media. Double-check that the FAQs reflect your real pricing approach, location details, ingredient notes, and operating hours, and update anything that changes seasonally. When you're happy with the content, copy it directly from Gemini and paste it into your social scheduler, website, or notes. That's all it takes. Write a focused prompt, press Enter, and refine inline until it's perfect. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating posts and FAQs faster with the Google Gemini Windows app.